Okay.
First, we do this. Are you ready for a menage a trois?
What's that?
I thought you understood French. Now you watch me. Both of you. You know, Damian, there's something I never told you about Chucky.
Don't tell me Schmucky's one of those dolls who wets his pants.
I wouldn't talk that way about Chucky if I were you. He has a very bad temper. You see, we lived together for years. Of course, that was before the cops killed him. That was before he passed his soul into that doll there. Boy, was he ever jealous. Anybody even looked at me, Chucky would take care of him. Wouldn't you, Chucky? We were gonna get married. God, was he an incredible lover. He was the best I ever had.
Come on, baby. He ain't big enough to take care of a woman like you.
It ain't the size that counts, asshole. It's what you do with it. Hi.
Hi.
How you been?
Okay. You?
Peachy. Actually, to tell you the truth, I've been kinda out of it.
I know it took me 10 years to find you.
That is sick. What are you doing with this jerk anyway?
10 years is a long time, Chucky. Besides, I was never actually with him. You know me. I'll kill anybody, but I'll only sleep with someone I love.
You look great, Tiff.
Thanks.
I mean it. I gotta be honest. I always thought you were gonna let yourself go. Come here.
Stop it. I made Swedish meatballs. Your favorite.
Honey, you shouldn't have.
Well, I wanted everything tonight to be absolutely perfect.
Tiff, what the hell is that?
It's a playpen, silly, for the nursery. You know, Chucky, I still have the ring.
What ring?
The ring, the one you left for me. I found it on the mantle the night you were killed. I've never taken it off.
Oh, that, the one I got from Vivian Van Pelt.
Vivian who?
Vivian Van Pelt. I dumped her in the river. Remember? That ring is worth $5 or $6 grand, easy.
You mean you weren't gonna ask me to marry you?
What are you, fucking nuts? You thought? Oh.
You haven't changed. You'll never change. The hell was I thinking?
Now the first thing we gotta do is get me out of this body once and for all.
No. I think I prefer you like this. You're kind of cute. You're just like a little baby. Is the little baby ticklish? Is he? Okay. Mommy's tired. Time to go to sleep.
Okay, I get it. You're still hung up on the domestic thing. No problem, we'll get hitched.
Sorry, I'm not into short guys. My mother always said love was supposed to set you free. That's not true, Chucky. I've been a prisoner of my love for you for a very long time. Now it's payback time.
You let me out of here right now!
Sweet dreams, asshole.